Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's get a look at what's happening in the markets here. We can do that with Bloomberg Equities. Christine Aquino. Christine, what are you looking at?
Well, Paul, let's look at HP Enterprise this morning. Ticker HPE. Those shares are rising, up more than 3% at the moment. We did get their third quarter results. Net revenue beating estimates. Fourth quarter adjusted EPS also in line with forecasts. They did flag a narrower adjusted operating margin, down slightly to 8.5% from 10% year over year. But Bloomberg Intelligence says that the company is past its server execution issues and that it should get back to free cash flow on track in fiscal 2026. And so looks like investors rewarding HP for those solid set of results here.
All right, very good. What else do you have for us today?
Taking a look at C3AI this morning, ticker AI. Those shares not doing very well, down more than 6% at the moment. So this is a company that's focusing on developing and operating enterprise AI applications. They forecast revenue for the second quarter that missed the average analyst estimate, and they're doing a management shakeup. They just named a new CEO, Stephen Ehikian, who was most recently an acting administrator of the General Services Administration under President Trump. He's also a Salesforce alum. Bloomberg Intelligence, though, saying that the company's weak fiscal first quarter results and disappointing second quarter sales outlook illustrates a continuation of execution challenges that the company has faced over the last few quarters.
All right, and we got American Eagle.
American Eagle.
Is this a meme stock? What are we doing here?
It may be a meme stock today. I mean, shares are up more than 30% at the moment. So ticker AEO, that's doing really, really well. After we did get their results for the second quarter, net revenue of $1.28 billion, beating estimates, though it is still slightly lower from their year-on-year figure. And third quarter operating income forecasts $95 million to $100 million. That's right in line with estimates here. But the kicker here is really their most recent ad campaign with Sydney Sweeney, all about the jeans.
Right.
I know. Have you seen this, Paul? Where do you buy your jeans?
I just saw it. Don't worry about my jeans. Army Navy store, Levi's. I'm solid Levi's guy.
Okay, you're a Levi's guy.
Yep.
Okay. So probably not a customer, but Chief Marketing Officer Craig Brommer crediting that ad campaign with actress Sydney Sweeney as a real driver of revenue for this period.
But how long is that sustainable? I mean, I get the boost that it gives sales for now, but I can't see this being something that they can count on going forward.
Absolutely, Scarlett. I mean, it's certainly generated a lot of buzz over the summer, but the question really is how sustainable is it, especially because the company did also flag quite a substantial tariff hit. And of course, once we're past the seasonal trends of back to school shopping and all of that, that is really a question of sustainability. But they're also going to be banking on a collaboration with Travis Kelce's Tru Kolors brand. So it seems like they're really leaning into the celebrity endorsement tack so they can keep up this momentum.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.